welcome back to Rookie Road. So, guest kita kali ini is someone yang dah cukup terkenal dengan content creation berkait dengan 4x4 builds and also adventure. So, memperkenalkan Don Dwi.
Hello guys.
What's up everybody? Hello.
Hello, welcome to Rookie Road, guys. So, do you guys know what is actually Rookie Road?
We watched some of your guys' videos and then now we are here lah, I think.
Okay, so untuk audience dekat luar sana yang baru nak tengok Rookie Road ni, Rookie Road is actually perkongsian tentang adventure daripada guest-guest yang berpengalaman. So, Don Dwi is one of the guests yang dah banyak pengalaman tentang adventure, is it?
We could have said that like that. I think so. Yeah.
I saw a lot of your videos dekat YouTube. So, can you guys introduce a bit about yourself to the audience?
I go first.
Yeah.
Ladies first, right?
Ladies first.
Okay, hi everyone. Kopi Sanangan. Nama saya Wendy, and I am a teacher. They call me Chi Wendy, and yeah, that's all.
Oh, you are a teacher?
Yeah,
She's a real teacher.
I'm a real
really?
teacher.
Yeah, it
you
is.
teacher sekolah SK.
Yes.
Oh, I see. And then you belajar mengajar subjek apa?
Oh,
Take a guess.
Cuba
Take a guess?
Take a guess.
Yeah, is it Sukaneka?
It's a PE, physical education.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Ataupun pendidikan jasmani.
Pendidikan
Yeah.
jasmani. I see. How about Mr. Douglas?
Let's just say that I do everything of anything.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Wow.
Anything
Multi-talented.
Not really. You could have just say that, but how to say if this can make me some, some profit to me, I'll just do it. Yeah.
Oh,
I'll do a bit of everything. Yeah.
okay. Mind to share what kind of
Previously I take pictures for 11 years. Now we are into this photography, videography, yeah, something like that. So Don't Do It started 3 years ago.
3 years ago, yeah.
3 years ago.
2023.
Something like that.
Oh.
So yeah, before you ask, some people out there memang akan ask why the word Don't Do It, right? Okay, so let's just tell everybody out there. Douglas and Wendy. Chigu Wendy is actually my wife. For those who don't know, she's my legal wife. Okay, legal wife. Okay, we are married and we have one daughter. Our daughter is the middle name is Dawn, Dawn. But the word Dawn itself, the one that came up with the name, is not me. It's her.
Oh, I see.
It's a name Douglas and Wendy. Some of the letters are mixed, and she came up with the word Dawn.
Oh, I see. How old is she?
Coming to 4 this month.
Oh, 4.
A few days, few more days. Okay. So, why do it? Okay, how to say? Previously, I don't know. I'm contemplating. I started this Don't Do It thing, reviewing cars or off-roading thing. I'm contemplating: should I do this or should I don't do it? Should I do this or should I don't do it?
No.
And I'm like, don't do it. It's a double meaning word, So I can dawn. It's a first. What do you call it? It's a first sun in the morning.
Oh.
So, senang cerita, sunrise, let's just do it. Don't think about anything else. You have the idea. Sunrise, go do it. So, we both we agree to use the word don't do it. So, that's it.
Oh, I see.
So, that's the meaning behind don't do it. Yeah.
But Dawn itself is like when Miss Wendy yang suggest the name lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I improvised the name.
Oh, I see.
High five lah.
Yeah, high five. And then
Kerja sama, guys.
yeah, the name become our daughter's middle name.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's it. That's behind the story.
Okay, so how about being a content creator? Macam mana you guys boleh start jadi content creator?
Banyak boleh cerita ni.
Share it with us.
Make it short.
Make it short.
Yeah, make it short. You first.
Is it started from me? Cikgu Wendy, no.
No, it started from me.
Yeah, started from you.
Yeah, it started from me. The idea came up to me but we will not take the credit for reviewing 4x4 in the whole Malaysia. The idea does not originally come from us. It came from one of our good friend also. I don't know if you guys heard it before. Oringba. He review cars or Mr. Oringba. He's a teacher also. A real teacher also. Semua cikgu ni.
Oh, wow.
Cikgu-cikgu pedalaman. He started reviewing I think more than 10 years ago. And then I'm it gave me idea. So why don't I do the same thing, but I do it in my style? So I will not take any credit to be the first 4x4 review in Malaysia. I will not. We are the first, or maybe third, I don't know. But we take the idea and we implemented the idea and improvise and do it the style ourselves lah. And we must keep on doing it. We try to be consistent for 3 years. I think we missed out 3 weeks for 3 years lah. I try to produce content every week, so I think I missed out 3 weeks lah out of 3 years. So the rest of the year, every week we have cars. Sometimes we posted 4 to 5 car review
In 1 week?
Yeah, 1 week. So total car we reviewed so far, I think 133, 134
Oh, that's a lot.
car.
Tidak termasuk this year lah.
Not
Yeah.
not yet, including the 4 cars we review here. Not yet.
I see. So, how do you guys manage your time? Since I mean, like content creation is not your first job, kan?
Yeah.
Let's just make it simple. If you like something, you think you can do it,
Yeah.
you'll make time for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious.
So, ni adalah daripada hobi jugalah. You punya minat tentang 4x4
Yeah.
and also offer to.
Yeah, something like that. More we educate the people lah, kan? Yeah. So instead of we have bad memories with we are humans as well. Kami bikin kereta, kami kena we put the wrong stuff. So why don't we learn from the best? But sometimes we learn from A, B, C, and we know the knowledge and we share out to the peoples lah. That's why they don't do it based on builds. If the car doesn't touch Borneo Safari, we will not review it. We go for more functionality lah. So that's what we based on Borneo Safari builds and events.
So mostly you guys punya pengalaman yang korang pernah hadap sendiri, you guys share to the audience lah.
Yeah.
There's something like that.
Oh, I
Something
see.
like
How about Cikgu Wendy? I mean, like you are a teacher kan? Macam mana
Yeah.
you bahagikan masa tu?
Oh my goodness, punya susah jawab ni sebenarnya.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
kind of
sebenarnya dia start don't do it. No, both of us start don't do it kan. And then mula-mula start tu how to say dia perlu sokong lah. Ya perlu sokongan kan, perlu ada
Teman.
kawan iya.
Okay,
Mula-mula he do it alone, tapi macam kata saya
hard.
sama-sama
Anything
buat.
that boys do, they mesti ada satu flowers.
Oh.
True or not?
Untuk menyerikan
Yes,
keadaan.
we
Ya,
need
ya.
flowers. I gotta have a wife. I mean, like, why should I take another girl outside?
Oh,
right?
betul.
Why don't I use my wife?
Pandai cakap.
Yeah. So I use my wife, then she ends up to be the permanent host. So don't do it up until today lah. Something like that. And tell the audience, how do you manage your time?
Oh my goodness, susah actually. But if you love something, you will do it.
So you guys usually you do content creation waktu weekdays ataupun weekend? Randomly
yeah.
or anytime when you guys are free lah. So how about your students? Ada tak yang macam like interested to want to be a part of your content?
Of course, everyone back in Sabah they all
Oh
love.
yeah.
Semua suka. They don't call it 4-wheel, they call it Hilux.
Hilux.
Everyone love Hilux. Kalau kita tanya pun kan budak saya kan, Cikgu saya mau naik Hilux Cikgu hari ni. Begitu. Walaupun kereta tu lain jenama kan. Macam
Tapi
contoh lah
dia panggil Hilux
Mitsubishi,
juga.
right? But they still call it Hilux. And then diorang nampak konten tu kan, diorang akan tanya, Cikgu jadi macam mana kereta yang jatuh tu?
Oh,
Because
diorang
sometimes
tengok.
kami buat live untuk apa-apa event kan. And then diorang suka tengok actually. Itu benda tu kan dia bagi banyak knowledge, especially untuk yang anak-anak muda waktu sekarang ni kan. Ya. Sana lah kita start bagi tahu apa yang sesuai untuk kereta ni mana sesuai. Terus sana diorang belajar pelan-pelan lah.
I
She's
see.
inspiring the kids, the younger generation lah.
So pernah ke students you pernah macam join you guys pergi event dekat mana-mana?
Officially, no. Her students lah. I'm answering on behalf of her. Invited by us personally, no.
No,
But
yeah, no.
because
Tidak boleh.
during mana-mana event yang kami attend, we masuk tempat yang normally people don't go in. So because we have cincai to say, we have all access lah. We can go here and there.
Oh, yo.
So if you bring student or kids underage, kan it's quite dangerous.
Betul.
But
Safety.
sometimes the kids yang ada live nearby, orang datang pergi tengok lah.
They come with the parents.
They come with the parents
Yeah.
lah, because off-roading punya tempat, especially competition, it's quite dangerous. When you step out on the wrong place, wrong time, mud,
Bahaya
everything.
lah.
Yes, yeah, something like that. So unofficially, yeah,
unofficially.
So you guys usually macam pergi off-road dekat Sabah ke ataupun pernah pergi dekat luar daripada Sabah juga?
Off-roading, how to say majority 98% is in Sabah lah. Because kalau kami punya competition
90%
dekat Sabah ni monthly.
Ya.
Oh, dekat Sabah.
Ya, monthly. Like kadang-kadang bulan ini saja ada 2, next month 2, bulan 5 sudah 3. So in 3 months ada 7 event. So the most event we went in a year is how many?
Oh yo, tidak boleh kira.
24
24 event
in
a year.
2025.
2024, 2023, something like that. Yeah, 23 events in a year. So that just
Semua
how
tu dekat
crazy.
Sabah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sabah is crazy. Dia orang memang suka main lumpur punya.
Oh, yeah.
So we celebrate it. We try to
Have you
MX first
tried,
lah.
you guys pernah join MX?
We got
We were
invited last
invited.
year,
Oh.
tapi the date is too close.
Oh.
So the
Dapat sangat
BT,
2 weeks.
yeah, no, less than 2 weeks.
Oh, 1
Less than
week
2 weeks
saja.
before
Okay.
Borneo Safari because
Oh yelah last year kan?
too close dengan
betul-betul.
Borneo Safari. So the BTB guys invited us again this year,
Oh.
and I said yes, tapi make the gap longer.
Oh,
Yeah.
longer daripada Borneo Safari punya.
Yeah, make it longer because we are based on Borneo Safari,
okay, sudah.
right? Yeah.
Okay, so what is your first trucks ataupun 4x4 yang you guys pernah ada?
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
it's our. What was
You
it?
can answer first.
It's our own car lah.
It's our own
It's
car.
our own
Yeah.
My father's car, but we're slowly rebuilding it. But officially for me and Cigu Wendika, yeah, the I think everybody knows lah. You can check on the Facebook. Yeah lah.
Ada banyak yang dah modified ke? Yang kereta awal tu?
Cerita dia tu kan sebelum modified tu actually saya langgar pagar.
Ayo.
Macam mana boleh langgar tu?
Baru beli 3 hari.
Yeah, the car baru 3 days old lah.
What?
3 days old, and she hit the pagar.
Do you know what?
What?
The time I'm pregnant, you know.
Yeah, during she was
Oh.
3
pregnant.
months. 2 months.
So as a husband, takkanlah kamu marah kan?
Oh,
So what do you do? What do you do? I'm like,
sabar.
ya, sabar je lah. Then the next day tukar bulba.
Was your
Yeah.
first experience off-roading adalah dengan joining event?
Ya, join event.
Yeah.
Terus masuk pergi
Oh.
event. Sampai tayar hilang, buka pintu, tolak lumpur with our own car lah.
Oh, can you share more about it?
How to say?
Like how does it happen?
How does it happen when you see? Oh, boleh mah, this car can go.
Oh.
You know,
Confident.
Yeah, you confident because you spend so much money on the car. Of course can go lah. So when you masuk, bro, windshield out please. Something like that lah. Short tips in off-roading, jangan paksa your vehicle. If you say okay, you got bog, orang bilang bog terkubur inside the lumpur. Logi also cannot go. Don't force your car. Throw your ego long.
Oil also
Throw
cannot
your ego away. Ask for someone's help, or else you break most of your car. So
Yeah.
something like that.
Jangan paksa lah.
Jangan paksa ya. So yeah.
Was it like one day trip punya off-roading ataupun
3 days, 2 night lah
3 days?
usually. Yeah.
Oh.
Events in Sabah is 3 days, 2 night.
Okay, and then you guys bermalam macam mana?
Bermalam kadang-kadang kami keluar pergi. Yalah, you know, any Airbnb or whatever lah.
Oh.
Yeah. For inside the jungle, rarely. But we going to the rural area macam contoh
Disebabkan jalan agak
Kota
sesak,
Marudu.
jadi kita
Kota
terpaksa
Marudu, orang buat di tempat ada dalam sikit. So,
Memang ada khas track lah.
ya, ada khas track. Ya, memang track yang memang natural already there. So when it's finished, tomorrow datang balik lah. So maybe 9 PM we head out, stay in any hotel, and then tomorrow morning.
Oh,
came
tak
again
pernah
lah.
bermalam dekat tempat tu. I mean like the
For the events
jungle.
for now macam ada kan? Sabah tidak kan?
I don't think so. Tapi maybe AJK untuk penganjur event tu diorang maybe akan stay dalam lah.
Oh.
Kami tidak.
Oh.
Ya.
Kami tidak.
Participants akan tidur dekat luar lah.
Ya.
Ya, majority
Oh,
of it,
I see.
most of it. Kalau yang bermalam untuk event Borneo Safari lah,
Borneo Safari lah.
8 hari lah, 7 malam.
Okay, I have a lot of questions dekat Borneo Safari. But first, I nak tanya Cikgu Wendy sebab you are a girl kan. So macam mana? What's your first experience waktu join off-road?
First experience
What does it feel like?
off-road yang stay di hutan kah?
Can be both.
Can be both. Maybe
She can live longer in the jungle than me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Because-
Okay, that was
sebab
unexpected.
saya membesar di kampung tau. Jadi
Oh.
budak kampung ni dia punya impian kereta memang helak lah.
Oh.
4x4.
Jadi memang saya di kampung, jadi hidup pun cara orang kampung. Jadi kalau pergi event tu kan saya rasa macam
Normal.
ini di kampung saya balik. Begitu.
So dah
Tapi
biasa.
untuk dia maybe yang bukan membesar di kampung mungkin ada susah sikit lah. Cerita sikit.
I learned a lot from her lah, you know, during one of the scene dalam Borneo Safari lah. Okay, kereta sudah lalu kan. Lalu. Oh, there's something on the ground. She took it off, wipe it off, and eat it. It's a fruit.
It's a fruit, yes.
Oh,
We call
It's
it
a fruit.
kogopon.
kogopon. Sorry.
Kogopon.
Yeah,
Kokopon.
it's a nut,
No,
actually.
I didn't see it,
Oh.
but she see it. Hey, this one can be eaten. And then
Yeah.
even though Alex Long, shout out Alex Long,
Yeah, shout out
kami
Alex.
punya boss,
Bos.
boleh makan ka tu? And she said, yeah, boleh makan. I'm like, patutlah. Orang kampung betul kau ini. You know, that's what they said. Yeah.
And then did you try it?
Uh,
Fruit?
Hey, don't want.
Oh, that one.
I chew it off and I'm like, no.
Why tak try?
I don't like it.
Oh.
I don't like the taste.
And then usually kalau drive, siapa yang drive masuk off-road, siapa yang drive? Mr. Douglas or?
Diganti lah.
Oh.
If like macam penat, tukarlah. Yeah.
Oh, so you pun
Spare
pernah
driver.
lagi ni. Oh, faham.
Yeah.
Macam ni you start belajar sebab I learn that kalau drive dekat off-road and then dengan jalan biasa berbeza kan?
Different.
Yeah,
Different.
So how do you learn it?
I learn from the best.
Just by doing it, I think.
Just by doing it, and then I learn from all the drivers. Yang ada competitor. Tengok, and then pergi dekat, macam mana kamu buat ni? Okay, begini Wendy, kau belajar begini. Semua
Oh.
kompetitor di Sabah bagus-bagus tau.
Yeah, very.
If you ask them, dia akan ajar tuh. Serious.
Oh, so they are very supportive lah actually.
Yeah, serious, very supportive. And then ada satu lady driver. Shout out to Miss Jovi. Hi Jovi.
Jovi, one of the oldest lady competitor.
Janganlah cakap
driver.
oldest.
No, paling lama, long
Legendary,
running,
legendary.
Not by age, not by age. Sorry, Jovi. Not by age. I mean like competing. I think more than a decade. Sudah.
Yeah,
The
serious.
real lady driver, which knows no fear.
Oh, damn.
Serius. Jadi dia bila kena tanya akan dia akan ajar dengan cara yang sangat bagus, and then cepat belajar dengan dia.
So you learn from her a lot lah.
Iya, serius Miss Jovi.
Miss
Well-
Chovy.
When they stand next together macam adik-beradik.
Oh.
Actually kan di Sabah kita ada kurang lady driver, tapi tahun lalu lah ada berapa orang sudah
Yeah,
ada
appearing.
beberapa lah mula sudah timbul sudah jadi di Sabah ni kan kami sangat menggalakkan lady driver untuk bangkit.
She's one of
Let's
it.
go girls.
Yeah.
She's one of it. Ya, betul. Macam berani lah you sebab I mean like how you boleh seberani tu? Is it because you have a protective husband?
No.
Ah,
No, it is, but how to say you know, just do it. If you don't do it now, bila lagi?
ya, actually
Yeah.
bila anu ni kan macam saya lah. Dia paham kan ni apa maksud anu ini? How to say sebab ada perasaan curious tu.
Oh.
Curious
Rasa
about-
ingin tahu, rasa ingin buat kalau saya buat begini apa jadi And then orang sekeliling pun supportive, especially yang off-roader Sabahan ni semua supportive. And then bila kita cakap, boleh saya cuba ni kan? Kau pakai kereta saya, kau pergi drive, saya ajar kau dulu.
Diorang kasih naik
Mostly.
kereta diorang sendiri.
Yes, betul.
Baik.
Sabahan off-roader gila. Itu saja boleh cakap.
If you're willing to know, willing to learn, they'll teach you.
Oh, so kalau macam newbies nak start buat off-roading pun community 4x4 ni diorang semua
Yes.
sangat okay lah sebenarnya.
Yeah.
Tak ada pernah lagi lah dengar yang macam why is she like that?
Nope.
Tak pernah.
No,
Oh.
it's the skeptic people mindset yang tidak apa tu orang bilang tidak mau tahu. Yes, the opinion differs. Tidak sama. But majority of the 4x4 communities in Sabah, they all very supportive. Yeah. They don't care. You have a 4x4, I have a 4x4. Okay, kita geng. Enough. They won't ask how fast your car can go. No, in the 4x4 scene, there are no such thing as go faster.
Oh,
In the 4x4 scene, there are only one thing. Does your car make it out? Itu saja. So because 20 km 1 jam dekat hutan pun your car mau terbang.
betul.
So it's not about how fast you can go. It's about does your car make it out in one piece or not? That's the only question. Kalau tidak, do you need any help? See, even though I don't know you, do you need any help? We can help you out. Yeah, macam tu. It's a very strong community.
Yeah.
So that's why we are here for 35 years minus PKP and still standing strong. Borneo Safari One.
That's how you gain a lot of friends daripada
Yeah. It's a nice community lah. That's why we said how to say Sabahan created a new culture. Yeah.
new culture.
Yeah. Sabahan new culture, which is Borneo Safari since 1991. Yeah, it's something to be celebrated lah. Yeah. Every year.
Every year.
Yeah, every year. Minus PKP.
So you guys pernah ke naik different cars?
The separate car.
Separate cars.
On the which event? Borneo Safari.
Which event? Borneo Safari kan?
Any event. Any event?
Oh
like-
God, Celcom Digi.
Oh, Celcom PG.
Yeah, we worked with Celcom Digi. I think 2 years ago.
I thought that was last.
No, 2 years ago. 2 years
Oh my
ago. 2 years
goodness,
ago.
baru
We did
rasa macam kemarin.
we did a collaboration with Celcom Digi one time. We bring our car, and Chico Wendy is on the Celcom Digi car lah. Tambunan. It's like a mini off-road track lah.
Mini off-road
Something
track.
like that. Yeah.
You drive juga? Ke orang lain drive? Time tu?
Orang lain.
Orang lain drive. Oh.
Yeah, I brought the big boss of Celcom Digi. Scary.
Walau
What's the name? I forgot the name.
I
It's
can
a-
see your face becoming so big.
yeah, it's a scary guy. Scary guy. Orang kira number one of Celcom Digi or number 2?
I don't know, man.
Oh, Malaysia. It's the Indian guy. I forgot the name. Sorry, bro.
Tapi okay lah, tak ada yang terbalik ke apa. Tapi
No.
tak ada. Tak ada. Oh.
No, all good, all good, all
Oh,
good.
pro lah, pro. Okay, so next, Borneo Safari.
Okay.
Okay, so mind to share what's your best or funny moments or scary moments during Borneo Safari that you guys want to share?
Which one to start first?
That's the best thing first.
The best thing first.
Everybody smells the same.
Do you know what?
Don't expect to go Borneo Safari hotel treatment.
Okay.
Prepare your mind. You have to set your mind. Will I take my shower today?
Guys,
If there's a river, thank God. If there's no river, keep that in mind. Everybody smells the same.
Guys, okay, sometimes 7 hari, 8 hari dalam hutan, sometimes kita tidak jumpa air tau.
Yeah,
And
true.
then, you know what? We only bring tissue.
Wet
Sometimes,
tissue.
sorry, wet tissue. Yeah, sometimes kalau rajin, bolehlah lap-lap pakai wet tissue kan, everyone. But if tiada habis wet tissue, and then sama-sama bau lah.
terpaksa lah hidup dengan tanpa wet tissue.
Yeah, when you are inside the jungle, you saw a river. Tidak kira lah jam berapa. Even though at 3 a.m. you already not showered for 2 days or 3 nights.
Yeah.
Tak kisahlah sejuk ke
Mau
tak.
tidak mau.
Tahun
we have to
lalu.
clean up.
3:30 pagi bah.
Ya, kami jalan for 27 hours non-stop. 27 or 26 hours lah. To make it out at 13 kilometers. So we went out. Kami jumpa sungai.
Sungai Sinua, Sungai
Si-
Sinua.
Sungai
ya.
Sinua.
Batu-
3:30 pagi. And during that time, kami semua tidak mandi. 2 malam, 3 malam, 2 or 3 nights lah, something like. Belum mandi. So if you saw water, what do you do?
Mandi lah.
Mandi, biarlah all the fish are died. No, don't care lah.
Ramai-ramai lah.
Yeah, so you have to set your mind. Borneo Safari, you challenge your physical and mentally lah.
Yeah, mentally, physically.
Mentally. Yeah. It's fun lah, it's fun.
But it's fun.
Fun. Don't complain lah, everybody smells the same.
So kalau macam contohnya you guys kan macam tadi kalau wet tissue habis tu kan, and then like how? Kalau you guys nak buang air besar ke buang air
Pinjam
kecil?
orang sebelah.
Oh, pinjam orang.
Yeah. It is what it
Ada
is
wet tissue
lah.
kau? Ada. Bah, pinjam lah.
So waktu dekat Borneo Safari tu macam mana you guys tidur pula? Diorang sediakan tempat tidur?
No, we bring our own.
Oh, you bring your own. Then what was the
camp bed.
setup?
Camp bed.
Camp bed lah
bed.
selalu
Oh.
ya.
Camp bed. The camp
food?
bed is a must lah. Oh, there's a chuck wagon for us.
Ya, cak wagon yang khas bawa makanan and then masak.
Oh.
Memang ada. Sudah sedia lah sebelum masuk tu kan sudah kita lantik. Okay, Miss Natasha, you are in charge of the food. You need to prepare everything, frost it, and then di hutan tinggal kasih panas masak, makan.
You know
Atau-
the style of how to say you cook one lauk and then you vacuum seal it. Then you put it in the fridge and then bila di hutan tinggal panaskan balik saja. Something like that lah.
I
Something like that.
see.
So we appointed maybe 2 or 3 cars all among our group. Maybe 2 cars bringing all the stuff, minuman and drinks, makanan dalam icebox lah. Macam tu. And then when it's time, so they are in charge of cooking lah. We call it chuck wagon.
Chuck wagon.
Chuck wagon cars lah. Yeah. Shout out
Mostly
to
makanan tu kan
Cigu
mesti
siapa?
sudah masak.
Cigu Cheryl, si Jovi selalu tu.
Ya, Cigu Cheryl dengan Jovi,
Jovi tu.
dengan si Mama.
Oh, diorang yang masak ah?
Ya, dia orang
Yes,
masak.
a good friend of
Tim
ours.
kami.
So kalau macam newbies nak join, diorang tak perlu kisah pasal makanan lah sebab
They have to consult with the groups lah.
Oh.
Yeah, who are you joining with? Dan berbincang lah.
Oh.
Dia lain grup, lain aturan.
Ya.
Lain grup, lain aturan lah.
So usually berapa group yang akan masuk join Borneo Safari?
Itu
banyak
susah mau cakap.
Banyak.
Kalau let's start off with, oh my god, I think
How to say,
Yuva brother, or he himself also can answer for me. We have a few group. Satu group saja ada 7-8 kereta. 7-8 kereta minus the people
Satu
lah.
group.
I will Alex give me a permission to say this Alex Long and Faiz okay brother. Okay, we have scout team maybe 2 or 3 groups. We scout which means they will enter earlier maybe 2 or 3 days earlier before Borneo Safari starts. And then event director is Faiz Nordin himself and a few of the VVIPs.
Group lah, ya.
The VVIPs, and afterwards is event manager, which is Alex Leong, and us lah. Kami actually with the event manager team, and then itu pun sudah ada 11 kereta.
Ya, banyak.
Yeah, 10 cars lah cincai.
Oh.
10 cars each group, and then they will be tag on manager, which is Afo and our good friend also.
Di belakang.
Yeah, Afo, and then tag on A, tag on manager, and then they will be tag on A. Okay, this is a take a guess. Don't need to take a guess lah. Tag on A last year is 50. Almost 50 car.
50 cars.
Yeah, tag on A, and they will be tag on B, C, D, E, F, G.
So dalam 5 group lah macam.
Yeah,
dalam
you imagine lah.
Dalam tengok 50 cars tu kan, lain-lain group di dalam dia.
Lain group. So
Yeah.
there's a lot.
So kalau macam newbies baru nak start join Borneo Safari, like how like they create the group, like diorang register and then like boleh masuk mana-mana group ke macam mana?
You need to get to know the people lah. You need to ask around. Memang kena ask around lah. Ya, macam tu.
Tapi maybe untuk newbie ni kan dia
Can start off with apa Sabo?
just participating as maybe buat
Menumpang.
kerja, ya menumpang.
Tumpang dulu, take the
Tumpang
experience
dulu.
first.
The
Don't directly
experience.
bring your car.
Maybe kau akan bertugas sebagai tukang masak ataupun apa lagi
Jangan bawa kereta sendiri dulu.
Ya,
lah.
Ya, jangan dulu. See
Not
how's the
suggested.
terrain
Betul
is.
hardcore Borneo Safari.
modern hardcore actually.
Susah mau cakap panjang cerita dia. It's the longest running competition in Southeast Asia lah. 35 years since 1991. Yeah, I think the longest. Ya.
Tapi untuk newbie memang itulah yang boleh dibagi advice.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Ya,
see.
untuk
So,
ambil pengalaman dulu kan.
betul-betul sejak tumpang dulu.
Ya, tapi selain itu kan, untuk newbie nih, selain daripada dia terus untuk pertama kali itu, jangan dulu terjun kepada Borneo Safari lah. Maybe kalau start dengan maybe go camping by yourself, or maybe you can join other other events like
Like off-road.
Malayan Expedition.
Oh, MX.
For newbie ya ngam.
Get the exposure first. Get
Mesti
the
ada
exposure
pengalaman. Bila kau sudah ada, saya tahu sudahlah apa perlu, bawa ini perlu itu. Okay, next year Borneo Safari. Okay, come, let's join us.
Oh.
Ya, boleh.
I see.
first. Take the aura first. You know the pocokang shoe, you know that?
Oh, ya,
Yang itu lah,
betul.
pocokang. You need that. You need that.
Orang sama kali lagi.
Yeah, this is your best. That is your best friend.
Ya, serius.
And that's your best friend.
Memang
Boleh kita
all
pakai.
madi.
You can use the what they call it the kasut getah yang pergi potong getah apa semua biasa tu kan, itu boleh pakai juga. Tapi when you terpijak dengan your long socks, lumpur kan. But when you wear the long one, the pocokang shoes, good shoes.
Better.
Good grip.
Oh. Tips guys, tips.
Yeah, very good grip, you know.
I see. Okay, and then like what's the scariest moment?
Scariest moment. Oh my
In
god.
Borneo Safari. Maybe like ada yang paling
Oh, in that
Oh,
sense.
yeah.
Okay.
I thought the scariest one.
the scariest one pun.
Oh,
what?
so
The size of that.
The scariest one is about macam mana? Of course, there's a tip where orang bilang if there's a V-gali or gali, you know, very steep one, kalau boleh, dia almost the car flip. That's a normal thing. Listen to the
Co-driver.
co-drivers. Yeah.
Co-driver is a king, you know.
Yeah, inside the
You
jungle.
You could have.
No,
inside
I'm not
the,
driver.
yeah, inside the jungle, the driver is not the one who's in charge. Tidak salah. Because when we are in the obstacle, you need to listen to your co-drivers. Yang nampak keadaan sekeliling is not the driver. So when the car flip, which we don't want to, you need to hear the co-drivers. Whatever he's saying, listen to it. The co-driver is king inside the jungle, so we need to avoid lah. Yeah. The scary moment is when you don't listen in your car flip. Oh, we don't want that to happen kan? Yeah, something like that lah, almost tilt down, apa semua gitulah, scary moment lah. But we try to avoid as best as we can lah.
Betul.
Yeah, and then kalau yang satu lagi tu, it's very hard to say, you know. Let's just say
Is there a lot?
a lot actually, a lot. Okay, what will happen if we go inside the thick jungle,
Yeah.
which is not, there's no people, almost 20 years.
20 years.
Mesti ada penduduk sendiri.
Yeah, so let's just put it that way lah.
Oh.
Let's just put it that way. Kalau mau tahu lebih, jumpa kami.
Why not share it here?
Yeah.
A bit lah.
Mana
a bit.
tahu nanti newbie takut. Tapi it's okay lah. Mana-mana kita pergi kan. Memang kita perlu hormat tempat tu, kita masuk bagi salam, sebab tempat tu bukan tempat kita. Yang penting kita hormat dengan tempat baru tu, and the rest is history.
Yeah, it's how to say, macam mana you go to a new place, hormat ikut cara begitulah.
Ya.
It's hutan tebal, jadi masing-masing kita tahu lah kan. Jangan, you have to respect the nature.
Itu
Respect
betul.
the nature.
So do you guys call each other's name dekat hutan? Sebab I learned that kalau masuk hutan kita boleh panggil nama kita sendiri kan?
Oh
Is
my
it true?
goodness.
We still call our
Oh, still call out.
because inside
Selamat
the
lagi,
group,
selamat lagi.
yeah,
Jadi kita tukar nama lah sekarang nih.
that in a sense that way masih okay lah. Tapi
masih okay, ya.
when that scary thing happened, it doesn't necessary at night daytime
Daytime,
also.
besarnya matahari
Yeah.
itu.
Last year was on 9 a.m.
Oh, waktu siang-siang dia.
We got stuck. Okay, I think this is okay. Mau kita kasih tahu lah kan, this is a
Boleh.
podcast.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
there's a few our friends who accuse us of causing the jam last year Borneo Safari, which is we are not. Okay, the real reason, we are not the one who caused the jam. Okay,
Okay.
and the first landslide is on kilometer 4, which is a very big landslide. How to say, the cars that got stuck takes a bit to pull out. Is one of our friend also, Minol car. How to say dia stuck, normal lah stuck. If you use a winch to go up, it's harder, betul tidak?
Betul.
Sebab you apa tuh orang bilang, naik
Mendaki.
ke atas. This thing, the scenario is that car is stuck to go down, and it took from 9 a.m.
Turun saja.
sampai lah almost 2 p.m. Not one winch, 3 winch.
Ui.
Yeah, not the electric winch, godly winch.
Ya.
The
Winch
pulling
hantu.
power is almost, I don't know, 20 tons. I don't want to say exact number, but the pulling power is out of this world. Until our good friend, all the old timers, Otai also sit there. I don't know what happened, why this car won't budge. And then afterwards, pray also, and then we take a rest. And then after a few hours, almost 2 p.m, the car moved very easily. Like
Oh.
that's it.
So benda tu kacau lah sebenarnya.
Yeah, everybody we felt it, but we don't say anything.
Ya, diam-diam saja waktu tu.
Yeah, fun fact, ini brother Jamal lambat kau bagi tahu saya tahu.
Alam
This is
Abang
brother Jamal, shout out to Abang Jamal. This one is a Ricky team, scout
Tim
team.
kami. Kawan.
Tawau, kawan also from Tawau. So they saw the video. We got stuck there, and then he called us, bro. Okay kah? Kilometer 4.
Asam dia.
These are the guys that buka jalan, you know, yang masuk lagi awal dulu.
Oh.
And then so when they enter, they didn't tell us in advance. Sudah habis Borneo
Sebab
Safari.
dia dah experience dulu.
Yeah, he knows that
tahu.
place memang a bit spooky lah. And I said, bro, stuck di kilometer keempat kah? Iya. Oh, memanglah ada 4 ekor di sana. Yeah,
Orang lain yang belakang-belakang ni kena hadap jugalah.
they know already.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we already tell kan. When he said, memanglah situ ada 4 ekor. You know what it mean, right?
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
So I'm like, kenapa baru bagi tahu?
Tapi kalau dibagi tahu, you guys jalan juga.
Tambah lah.
No, we know what to do like this. We minta izin kah, whatever kah. Something like that, but it's a small story lah, spooky side. It's whether you believe it or not.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ya, begitu sajalah.
Yelah, sebab ada orang percaya benda-benda ada yang tak kan.
Ya.
Betul.
But if you don't believe it pun, at least you, apa orang bilang, respect.
Respect, yes.
Respect the nature. Yeah,
Itu
respect the
mesti.
nature. Yeah. Bukan rumah kita kan. Ya, macam itulah, something like that.
Kita orang luar masuk dalam.
And the rest kalau mau tahu, jumpalah depan.
Nah, datang jumpa kami. Kita cerita.
Banyak kami tahu.
Kena join next MX and Borneo Safari lah. Okay, what ada experience yang maybe funny moments ke during Borneo Safari? Ada
You
tak?
have many funny moments.
Too much because kami punya team you know laugh, you don't live.
Oh.
Yeah.
Katun mah dia orang ni.
Everybody keep on laughing. Even tarik winch pun boleh ketawa. Macam mana tu? You tarik winch kan, you normally like this kan. Okay, 1, 2, it become a song.
Oh.
Yeah, it's, okay, shout out to our team lah, event manager team Alex Leong, Wingku, Boy.
Ay, semua kena sebut.
Mark is the, what do you call it? Jungle man. Jungle man last year. Shout out Jungle man last year. Jovi, Mama. There's a lot lah, susah banyak tu nama.
Ramai Chip Nelson.
It's too much. Chip Nelson.
Oh, si Bal.
Sibal itu co-driver memang gila-gila itu. You know, once we start, he will not go inside the car. Kami pandai naik kereta lagi. If it's too far, but this Sarawak guy Bal and Sarawak gaya lah. Sarawak, si Bal and Wingku, they will walk.
They will walk, they don't like naik kereta.
Imagine the car moving 24 hours. Kami pada penat mah. Kita naik, jauh lagi. Kami naik. Wait for half an hour baru turun lah. Sebab obstacle kan diorang tidak. They walk. 2 or 3 years ago, we are winching up a hill. We have a British guy also with us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey Dave.
Yeah, Dave is also a good
Same
friend
group
of
ah?
ours. Same group.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, David Hutchinson.
Wow.
Yeah, hello Dave. Don't be mad, I mention your name. Okay, we are winching his car, and then the tree falls down. How to say the tree branches, a big branch almost hit my head. It goes like this.
Like this Dia
Yeah.
di tengah.
Imagine a big tree. I fall down like this. I'm this one, right? Puck like this, and the other one of the guy jumping in river, and the other guy also the big
Sama-sama.
branch fall. You guess what happened?
You laugh.
They all laugh.
Dia laugh.
They didn't help us at first. They all laughed like
Betul-betul best friend.
laughing out loud, until the ground kalau boleh berguling di lumpur dulu baru tolong. So it's quite funny moment, but it's fun lah. What makes it funny is big tree falls on you, tidak kena pun, like like this nih. But we have fun. It's all about the teamwork lah.
Yeah, betul.
Because when the tree fall down, bukan kami terkejut. Me myself are laughing, so everybody's laughing. So something like that lah. It's a funny story.
So what you wish orang dekat luar sana tahu more about Borneo Safari and don't do it?
Wah, I love that.
Wow, that's a good question.
Yeah.
That's a very good question. Let's just say if kalau dorang mau tahu more on Borneo Safari, they can ask us, and we can push the Borneo Safari name further. Like here, I think Semenanjung tahu sudah, and to the world lah. Especially people know it. Actually, people know already Borneo Safari. Tapi we would like to invite them again.
Yeah.
Come again.
And share
Yes.
tengok experience you guys kan, because you guys create content kan.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
created content, and I think with God's blessing, it all goes smooth. Yeah, it all goes smooth, and this is the Borneo Safari. Why do we say it's the biggest? Can you take a guess? Berapa banyak kereta last year?
Yeah.
Yang join Borneo Safari.
Yeah.
More than 50 cars.
627.
600 eh.
Banyaknya.
Tell me an event in Asia where you can gather that much car
Don't have any.
and you can close down the city. Nah, I'm just kidding. The roads are closed for the event.
Oh, waktu Borneo
Yeah,
Safari pun
DKK.
banyak jalan tutup.
Yeah.
Nah, tutup lah because 627
So like
car lah.
memang betul-betul special
Yeah,
in Sabah only.
it's a celebrated culture.
Oh,
Yeah.
Something like that lah.
Sebab setiap kali Borneo Safari ni kan, especially bila flag off, okay, flag off ni selalu dia awal pagi, and then ramai orang akan datang pergi tempat tu,
Yeah.
tengok benda tu.
Even
Yeah.
yang tak join.
Yeah,
Yang
they will
yang
look
tidak
at it.
join.
wow.
They
And then
will
yang
look at it.
special juga untuk newbie kan, boleh datang tengok Borneo Safari, tidak semestinya masuk pergi hutan ikut, tapi boleh ikut join kita punya prolog. Prolog
Yes.
tu ke
2 hari
2 hari,
sebelum flag
yeah.
off. This year would be 25th of October, so the prologue will be 23rd and 24th. Dewan Haka.
Save
Dewan
the date
Haka.
guys.
Yeah,
Dekat Dewan Haka.
Yeah.
Dewan Haka.
Also
Yeah.
dekat situ akan ada display kereta-kereta apa semua lah.
So vendors lah, vendors. But not all lah. Not all. A few car will be there.
Oh, I
Yeah, a
see.
few cars will.
Jadi
20
untuk
juga.
peminat kaki 4x4 ni lah, barang-barang part kereta semua kau tengok lah apa kau mau.
Ada
So dari
promo
situ diorang boleh belajar about
Yeah.
trucks kan.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
You know, macam a glance lah, a glance.
Oh, glance. Okay.
Yes, you can see. Oh, this like if you want to see more, go to the flag off.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine
Flag off pun
600.
boleh ke orang luar tengok? Oh.
Yeah, just go and see. Sebab the flag off, there's a big gerbang where all the cars will pass through, so you can stand on the side lah.
I see.
627 cars.
Oh, banyak.
So we dare to say it's the biggest ever lah. Yeah, never ever elsewhere ada begitu banyak. Yeah, so that's why we are proud. Yeah, but yeah. So if you tanya kami before you ask lah, don't do it. Platform is based on Borneo Safari. Yeah, what do Borneo Safari do? We expose it to the people. Yeah, we are built based on BS Borneo Safari.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, shout out brother Nafaish.
And you
Alex.
can Maybe you can promote your social media dekat audience juga.
Okay, jangan lupa follow, subscribe, likes. Ya, jangan lupa share juga. Kamu boleh tengok YouTube, FB, TikTok, and Instagram untuk Don't Do It. Ejaan dia ada di sini.
DAWN. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and check the Rookie Road also,
Yeah.
powered by Red Spring. This is our first podcast. Kami datang pun malu-malu ini sebenarnya. But yeah, we are here. Yeah, they invited us, so we are very pleased lah.
And then yang mau tengok di behind the scene punya cerita, boleh follow lah semua FB, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Cigu Wendy with double D. Itu adalah behind the scene untuk Don't Do It. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Don't Do It sebab sudi hadir and be our guest untuk episod kali ni. I learn a lot and I suka perkongsian you guys. So kalau korang pun suka dengan perkongsian Don't Do It, don't forget to follow them and also like, subscribe and also share this Rookie Road episode.
Yes.
And until then, see you next time. Bye bye.
Check them out.